My name is Joyce Chinazo Duminabike. People just call me Joyce, obviously. And then I study mathematics, chemistry, biology, and Spanish at BSix. On my math course, I have learned how to approach different situations differently, because you don't get the same questions every time. You get like apparent questions dressed the same, but then is in a different situation, especially mechanics. You always have like life situation questions, so I learned how to approach them differently and how to solve them. I like the way she interacts with us, my teacher especially. I like the way she always makes sure we understand the things before moving on. She'll always ask, do you understand it? Yes or no? She needs the yes or no. If not, she can move on. And then I like how she always gives us questions to practice, and how she goes when we do a test. I like how she always reviews it with us. We do every question. If we have any questions, she'll answer them, help, explain. Even though it's the most basic things, like GCSE questions, she'll always go to explain it to us. I'm always supported, and if I have any problem, I always go to my tutor, or if it's only maths related, bio related, I go to my tutor of that subject. They always try to help me the best they can. They give me resources, they give me some questions, or if it's any personal thing, I just go to my tutor and he always tries to solve it for me. So I'm fine. I feel supported by my tutors. I have worked as a healthcare assistant, and then it's a nice experience because I want to be a doctor. And so I had to do many things, like from personal hygiene to talking to them, feeding them, so many things. I think it's a great experience to learn from outside school. The enrichment courses, I know I have gone to some other schools here. They don't offer as much enrichment as they give here. I like how they give us free books. I like how you can also borrow books from the library. We have free lunch every day. That's nice because we have so many things here in BSix that they don't have there. So I'm happy about that. I have used, I think you know Dolores, right? She's in charge of the bursary of the school. I have also went to, I don't know the name of the guy, but the transport as well. So at the beginning of the year, I applied for an 18+ Oyster, and he is the one I have to sign for it, like have to give proof that I'm doing my studies in this school. So it was fast and easy, so I like that. And Dolores supported me with the bursary of the school for going and for the transport. I like how she adapts to different situations, because last year my situation was different from this year. So as my situation changed, the money for the transport will also change. She had to adapt to it because I have a brother. I brought a brother here to visit because I like the school, right? That's why I told him you can come to the school, it's very nice. So he got the bursary and I didn't get it. But then I saw that I made a mistake on my application, so I went to tell her, then she checked everything and then she gave me the bursary for this year. So I like how, if I have any problem about that, I'll just go to her. She solves it fast. This year I'm not doing any enrichment, unfortunately, but last year I signed up to Duke of Edinburgh, where you had to learn a new language, to practice a new sport. So last year I tried archery. I'm not a sport person, but I tried it at least, and then I did Spanish. It was very easy, so I passed it. And then this year I'm an enrichment teacher. Actually, I teach Spanish every Thursday at lunch, because the people that signed up for that, they're supposed to be Wednesdays, but not many people could come at that time, so I use my lunch break to teach Spanish. I like teaching it because I like people understanding, I like people cooperating between them, and I like them to understand the beautiful language that Spanish is. So yes, I like that. Especially at lunchtime, there's always many people there, and you can see different group of friends. But even before lunchtime, there's also people in the canteen or in the cafe that was talking, or even outside, they are there. And I like how you can see that people mix between them. It's not only people of color or only white people. There's always a mix between them. I love that. I love like people. There's not any racial, cultural barrier between them. So yeah, it's a very nice social life, I would say. I like the social life about BSix. I like how I made friends here. As I was new to London, I didn't know that many people. but my friends from outside are the same friends that I made here last year and this year as well. I like BSix also because there's no like cultural boundaries and there's very racialized people everywhere. So I feel safe in this environment of BSix. So yeah, that's what I like about it.